Today we are doing 32 feet of shotcrete. We got supplemental beam going in with 5 smart jacks. The reason behind why we're doing this, Jean in there has lived in the house for 50 years. She had HVAC guys come through and replace her furnace. And they saw a bit of foundation repairs that needed to be done. So she got a hold of us, and that's why we're here. She had a fear of falling through the floor.
Giving her just that peace of mind, you know, that she's gonna have that house for a long, long time, and she doesn't have to worry about any more foundation issues. Almost her entire basement was just dirt. It was a dirt cap. There was an entrance from the kitchen into her basement, and at some points I could see right into her basement. And the dirt was dry, so it was crumbling, it was falling. The shotcrete work that we did in the smart jacks, I mean, it will stabilize the foundation of her home really well. Redefining, I mean, that's probably it right there.
Just helping people that, you know, it's one of their worst moments of their life, right? Like sometimes it's, you know, we're repairing actual fallen walls. Like we're coming in, you know, we've seen homeowners cry and say like, you know, I can live again after we've done the work there. So it's definitely rewarding.
I like to do the little things that most contractors overlook. Sleeping under things, picking stuff up, sweeping over that. Because it's that kind of stuff that really impresses the homeowner. I know if somebody came into my house and did the work perfectly, but left a giant mess, I'm never calling you again. So it's that kind of thing. It's really cleaning up and just making sure I know exactly what the customer's why is. Now that we're here, we'll give that peace of mind to Jean.